Thank you. Here, so this is day one. So we came yesterday after like 12 hours of driving. That was a long drive. We woke up 3:30. We got to our destination 7:15. This glasses is so old, it doesn't sit on my face properly. This is the reason why I don't use it, but I thought, you know what, I don't mind bringing this one here because this other one can go neatly on it, then I can see really clearly. Let me hang it too because I love this my helmet. I don't want anything to God, it's not hanging. No. Okay, yeah. No, it's not hanging. God damn it. Why? Oh Lord. Oh, here we go. Now it's hanging. Yeah. Oh, there's steam here. Steam. Pardon? Oh, you found the eyes? All right then. Why don't you twig it in? Oh, the mouth. Okay, put the mouth. Let's start going. Skiing. We're not going far today. We're not doing like crazy skiing today. We're just doing little skiing. So it's just going to be little just to get our legs used to it. And maybe before we start hopping from mountain to mountain. So I'll let you guys be. Maybe how you guys doing? We just came back. I am absolutely tired. You know, when you're on top of the mountain, fresh air, everything, it just feels so wonderful. It just feels so good that you don't even realize how tired you are. So I'm back now. I am absolutely tired. I am so tired. I just want to, it's already like 4:30, it's coming to 4:30 in the evening. So I just want to have like a warm shower and eat some dinner. I'm not leaving this apartment anymore. Just eat and put my pajamas on and probably read my book or do a bit of editing, read my book and just watch Netflix. I am so tired, and tomorrow we're going to go out all day skiing. Look at my hair, is a mess. I couldn't do my hair before I went on this trip, so you guys are just going to manage this hair with me like this. There's nothing I could do. So this is the reason why I like curly hair anyway. By the time I take it out of this, oh, it's already out. By the time I take it out, spray it with a bit of water, it will be like new again. But you know, when it's ski holiday, there's no point even trying to gag. There's no point trying to dress up. Because most of the time, your helmet is sitting on you. I see some people, yeah, those people that don't really do a lot of skiing, they are the ones that put like full makeup, bits of makeup. They will wear the most fancy, like the influencer, if you see what I mean, the influencer. Yeah. Fancy gear, all the helmet, everything is designer. They are drippy. But you see them usually like in the cafe drinking and just doing the baby slope. I'm not, no shade. So just finished having our lunch. So I'm just here in the sun, just soaking the sun in a little bit before I go. And beautiful, this beautiful views. I love it. I didn't go skiing today. I did not. My little guy, my son, was absolutely sick all through the night. I think he have an indigestion or he just have like a tummy bug. So two of us we together today, aren't we, Rafi? Two of us are together today. So yeah, the others, they've gone skiing. They've gone to the other resort on the other side called Ivorius to ski. But the weather here where I am is absolutely gorgeous. The sun is sunny, you know, it's just incredible. I love it. So we're going to go have lunch somewhere. Probably we're hunting for a nice pizza. We're going to a nice pizza place. Would you prefer pizza? What would you really like for your lunch? Pizza. Okay. So we're going to go to a pizzeria place to go have a nice pizza. And just watch other people ski. Try and cross over somehow. Maybe let's go to the zebra place and cross. So you ski, like yesterday we went to a place called Hight. So we were able to ski really well. So it was quite fun. We were out for like 5 hours and I can't believe my son can ski that much now. We had lunch, you know, like leisurely ski, and we came back and it was just amazing. So today the others people, come, let's cross. Let's find our spot. Now we can go quick. So the others, they've gone for more adventurous ski, while two of us, we're just here loving ourselves. So yeah, anyway, we come to this restaurant. I think they open. Let's see. I think they do pizza here. We could just stay in the sun a bit because there's no way. Are they opened? Let's go up. I think a lot of people, they just ski. Everywhere is so quiet this time of the day. Everywhere is just literally quiet.
I hear music.
Yeah, they play music, aren't they?
Yeah, I think that most of the people are actually inside because they're getting
No,
cold.
there's no, I don't think they're open. You cannot get better than this. Look at it. Look at the sun. It's sunny. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely empty. Just us. Ski. It's beautiful. This is igloo bedroom. They have bedroom here, ice bed. I don't know if I can actually sleep in a place like this. So all these places are ice. Can you see the kind of dinosaur print?
Oh yeah.
The ice everywhere. Ice hotel. Yeah. Here we go. This is another bedroom here. That's somebody's side lamp. And they've got like a bottle of champagne or something waiting for the next guest. No, you're not going to catch me here. This is number one. So I think they are number one also. How many bedrooms? 3. So this is another bed. Yes. Okay. absolutely cold in here. Absolutely freezing. Oh, look at that ice. And it's like dinosaur drawing everywhere. Carving like that. There's a big dinosaur leg. It's quite cool. A week or 5 days now, I've been skiing back to back. I could just really tell I am tired. So we're just taking a leisurely skiing. So we just had a break. I had soup and we had hot chocolate and waffles. So we're going to start skiing back. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing so well. I just literally woke up this morning. I am absolutely tired from skiing. Like honestly, I am so tired from skiing. I think we'll be skiing a lot. My little boy, he's absolutely tired. So we are having a rest day, and it's a good day to have a rest day because it is snowing. It's a snowy day today. Look. I think it's going to be wonderful. Probably when we go out tomorrow, so we're going to have a lot of snow on the mountain. So yeah, it's really snowy. Yeah, it's really lovely. It's going to be beautiful later. Yeah, the kids are absolutely happy. Hopefully, if we have enough snow, they will be able to go sledging. So they're looking forward to that. Good morning. Hi, good day. How are you guys doing? So today I'm just skiing with my daughter. So just two of us skiing together. It's quite awesome actually. Really peaceful. It's so beautiful here. So it's very nice. So we're trying to find our way. I think we came to have lunch. And now we're just trying to find our way back to how we could get a bottom lift. I think the bottom lift is down here. Yeah. So So this is our last day of skiing. Tomorrow we're back to England. It's quite cool. So we'll go grab a button lift to take us from this place to where we need to be. So I think we need to cross over now. I'll flip the walk. So that's the button lift station, I think. That's the only way we can go up. Yeah, with skis like this. Where is the button lift? I can't actually. But it does a lot of work. You know how to use button lift, don't you? You put it in between your leg and you sit back as if you sit back. You. Go back to the apartment and honestly start packing.